Graphic designers naturally want the best computer that has the capacity to allow them design efficiently. In many cases, a desktop computer can provide a more powerful processor, more memory, and larger display than working on a laptop. Whether you're just starting or you have been working as a graphic designer for a while, using the right technology to provide your clients with their best work is really essential. Today we have decided to take a look at the best computers for graphic design in 2020, both Mac and PC, so we can help you find the one you are looking for. We have made this list based on our personal opinion and listed them based on the price, quality, durability, features, and more. Check out the description below to find more about the products. So if you're ready, then let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Acer Aspire S24. A gorgeous all-in-one that can handle the rigor of graphic design work while carrying a slightly smaller price tag than the competition. It has a 23.8-inch Full HD widescreen edge-to-edge LED backlit IPS display that carries tiny bezels and is just 6mm thick. With a computer housed in the base, using a very attractive gold and black design, this desktop will stand out on your desk. Designed with a powerful 8th generation of Intel Core i5 processor and Intel UHD 620 graphics, this computer will certainly cope well with design software tasks, from editing video and animations to processing complex high-resolution images with multiple layers and filters. With up to 32GB of RAM plus 256GB SSD along with 1TB HDD, this robust machine delivers amazing performance and responsiveness, fast wireless connectivity and dependability that you can count on every time you power it up. The cinematic sound will ensure that you can enjoy high-quality audio reproduction, and Acer's Vision Care will protect your eyes from fatigue. The base of the display also acts as a wireless charging panel, which is a unique innovation that you don't see in most setups. If you're a casual designer or at the beginning of your career, the Acer Aspire S24 is a very affordable one that offers just enough great features to complete your projects. HP is no stranger to making all-in-one computers, and at number 4 we have the HP Envy 34-inch curved all-in-one computer, a quality computer for your graphic design needs. Built with an Intel 8th generation of Intel Core i7 processor, a combination of 256GB SSD as well as a 2TB solid hard drive with 16GB of RAM, gives the all-in-one wonderful balance of speed and capacity. The GPU is an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1054GB DDR5, which is enough power to display all of your graphic design projects with pristine clarity. The most striking feature of the Envy 34 is its 34-inch curved ultra-wide QHD display with 99% sRGB color range that will give the graphics designers enough space to finish color production projects more accurately. You can also switch to a Technicolor certified mode that enhances colors, providing even more convincing playback of images and videos. As an all-in-one desktop computer, HP decided to give the Envy 34 a minimalist design, keeping from taking up too much room on your desk and causing the ever-annoying issue of clutter. The connectivity ports are located in the base of the computer, and there are 4 USB 3.0 ports, a Thunderbolt 3 port, along with HDMI out and HDMI in, giving you all the necessary ports you might need for any of your peripherals or data sources. If you're a graphic designer but also want to be able to multitask on a huge screen, then the HP Envy Curved All-in-One should be in the top spot on your shopping list. At number 3 we have the Lenovo Yoga A940, which makes working on this all-in-one PC a dream for designers and digital artists. This all-in-one desktop features a 27-inch tilting 4K display with pen support, a content creation dial, and powerful AMD Radeon RX 560 discrete graphics. The Yoga offers a premium 9th generation Intel Core i9 processor with 6 cores at turbo boost of 4.7 GHz for intelligent, ultra-fast performance. It is topped up with 32 GB of RAM for ultimate performance and a super fast 2 TB SSD that will take care of all of your storage needs. It delivers lightning-fast responsiveness whether you're editing or creating content, up to 30% better performance than previous generation processors to handle intensive computing tasks smoothly. Scroll, calibrate, and make precise adjustments to your work with a twist of the content creation dial. Use it to assign settings and features in Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, Lightroom, and more. Keep it simple with a wireless charging dock and a Groove 4 pen storage. The Yoga A940 is designed for your convenience, featuring dedicated spots for your keyboard and mouse that minimize clutter and keep your desk clean. With 4K reclining touch display, powerful hardware with lots of features makes the Lenovo Yoga A940 one of the all-in-one desktops for a graphic designer. Next up at number 2 we have the Microsoft Surface Studio 2. Fuel your creativity with the Surface Studio 2 multi-touch all-in-one desktop computer from Microsoft, which is designed to handle your workflow and support enhanced gaming and better graphics designing. This large yet compact system features a unique stand design which can be set in an upright or flat position to accommodate your creative process. In desktop mode, it can be used regularly like in any standard desktop computer. However, once it's laid back into the studio mode, you will have an easier time sketching, painting, and editing on its expansive 28-inch 4500 by 3000 resolution pixel sense display. Furthermore, it also supports 10-point multi-touch input via fingers or the included Surface Pen, improving its accessibility and productivity. Powered by 2.9 GHz Intel Core i7 quad-core processor, 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 graphics card with 8 GB of GDDR5 VRAM. The Surface Studio 2 is capable of handling everything from everyday tasks to professional-grade software like SolidWorks, Adobe Creative Cloud, and Autodesk. For storage, it's equipped with a 2 TB solid-state drive for storing your projects. If you need more room, you can connect external storage solutions using its 1 USB 3.0 Type-C port and 4 USB 3.0 Type-A ports. The Microsoft Surface Studio 2 is an all-in-one computer that comes with an eye-catching design and powerful components that can help you get any project done and impress your clients. Finally, at number 1 we have the Apple iMac 27-inch, which is an all-in-one desktop computer that sports powerful processor, faster memory, and phenomenal graphics for immersive graphics designing performance. This amazing desktop features a 27-inch Retina 5K display which supports 500 nits of brightness and has a huge 5120 by 2880 screen resolution with support for 1 billion colors and white color that will let a designer see everything in incredible details. Along with the excellent Mac OS operating system, the iMac offers such a fantastic computing environment for graphic design that you'll be amazed at how much performance can be squeezed into such a small space behind the display. This powerful computer comes with up to the Intel 9th generation of Intel Core i9 processor that clocks turbo boost speeds up to 5 GHz, and that's nowhere near the best option available. As far as the graphics go, the 8GB GDDR5 Radeon Pro 580X is the standard, which you can upgrade to the Vega 48 that has 8GB of HBM2 memory, and the RAM keeps up with the rest at your choice of 8GB to 64GB 2666 MHz of DDR4 memory. There's a 1TB of storage standard, which you can upgrade to 3TB. Of course, we're talking about a solid state or fusion drive here, so you can expect great hardware-software communication speed while using powerful graphics designing software. 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports come standard on all iMac models, along with 4 USB 3 ports for connecting your printer, iPhone, thumb drive, and more. Powerful components, sleek design with stunning 5K display makes it the best all-in-one computer for graphic design and a great choice for all kind of complex image work. So that's all about the 5 best computers for graphic design in 2020. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, do share with your friends and comment below to let us know your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.